In the last 24 hours, the Ohio Department of Health reporting almost 3,700 new cases of COVID. The 21-day average just over 6,500. Right now, ODH says more than 3,700 COVID patients are in hospitals all across the state. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us at 11. I'm Colleen Marshall. Carrie is off tonight. NBC4's Eric Halperin is asking doctors if Ohio's numbers are going in the right direction. So, Eric, what are those doctors telling you? Are the highest numbers of this surge behind us now?
Colleen, these two doctors I spoke with say we likely have seen the highest case numbers of the Delta surge. They say there are reasons to be optimistic, but that a lot still needs to happen before we're in a good place. In August, Ohio health infectious disease expert Dr. Joseph Castaldo told me Ohio's Delta surge peak would likely happen around October. Now, looking at recent numbers, he says the state has hit its high point. Are you confident that we have peaked in the state for our Delta surge?
I do. I really do feel that we have reached our peak and are coming down from our Delta surge in the state of Ohio.
Monday, we looked over some of the state's data together. Testing positivity rate relatively flat, around 13% over the past couple weeks. And hospitalizations fluctuating with more than 3,700 COVID-19 patients right now. While both metrics are not consistently going up, Dr. Castaldo says those numbers are not sustainable from a healthcare perspective.
They are still high. You know, hospital bed capacity is tight.
According to Dr. Ian Gonsenhauser with the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center, it will be a bit before hospitalizations and deaths follow the cases count.
While we've seen the new case numbers start to peak and actually start to pull back a little bit, we've still probably got a few weeks when we're going to see those hospitalization numbers and still the deaths from this most recent surge.
Both doctors say the recent numbers are good news, but it will be several months before we hit pre-Delta numbers again.
I'd be skeptical to think that our positivity numbers are going to get as low as they were in Ohio before the Delta surge. So really, realistically, I'm not sure we're going to get that low until next spring.
And one of the reasons they say it could be several months before we see those pre-Delta numbers, the colder months ahead. Live and local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric Halperin, NBC4.